Hi Kumars! Gawa tayo ng baked tuna. Okay guys, Kumars, patakan muna natin ng lime or lemon juice if you want. Yan. Lagyan natin ng salt. Yan. Lagyan natin ng pepper. Lagyan natin ng cumin. Lagyan natin ng paprika. Samahan natin ng dill. Then our parsley. Okay, samahan natin ng oil, olive oil, or whatever you prepare. Okay, balik-balik na rin natin. Mamaya pagbe-bake na natin or pwede itong grill, lalagyan natin ng butter. Okay. Marinate natin for 30 minutes. Okay, dinagdagan ko ng Worcestershire sauce. Okay. Guys, lagyan natin ng tomato. Okay. Alright guys, we're gonna bake it. So let's drizzle some oil. Not oil, butter. And let's put garlic. Nakalimutan ko yung garlic. Okay, ito na yung garlic. Then let's bake it for 400 degree 30 minutes, I think. Or until cook.